Welcome to this video on ticket management and resolution using generative AI. After watching this video, you will be able to leverage generative AI to solve specific customer support issues efficiently. You'll also be able to explain the effect of integrating generative AI into the ticket management and resolution process and list the benefits of generative AI in ticket management. Natural language processing, or NLP, helps the AI system interpret and identify customer queries, whereas machine learning algorithms analyze customers' histories. NLP and machine learning enable generative AI-powered ticketing systems to automate and optimize various tasks throughout the ticketing process. Consider a situation where you've purchased a mobile phone from an online shopping site. You are expecting mobile phone delivery 3 days later, but you did not receive it, prompting you to connect with a customer support service. While connecting with an AI-powered chatbot, you have described your issue. Based on your description, the chatbot may ask you certain questions, such as the date of the order placed, mobile brand, and model. Further, the chatbot understands the context, identifies your issue related to the product, records the information, creates a query log, classifies your query, and generates a ticket. Generative AI uses NLP to categorize tickets based on keywords, context, and sentiments. This helps the customer support team to reduce manual effort, prioritize tickets based on urgency, and redirect queries to the correct department or agent. The generative AI understands your tone, sentiments, and historical data to analyze the issue's urgency. It can use service-level agreements or SLAs to prioritize tickets raised for customer queries. Generative AI can evaluate the technical or non-technical tickets to route them to the expert support agent or team based on their availability and previous interactions. Generative AI uses customer relationship management or CRM tools to fetch additional data such as account details, purchase history, or previous interactions, helping support agents gather information. It can also retrieve real-time data from CRM or inventory management to generate accurate responses to customers' queries. Generative AI can suggest potential solutions or relevant materials to resolve complex tickets, such as user guides, tutorials, or troubleshooting steps. This can help support agents resolve tickets quickly and save their time. Generative AI leverages pre-trained language models in ticketing systems to suggest or generate response templates for agents to resolve customers' queries quickly. Generative AI can suggest self-service steps to close the tickets in certain common and recurring queries. Generative AI can conduct customer satisfaction or CSAT surveys post-ticket resolution. It can automatically send survey forms to the customers for their feedback and analyze their responses in real time to identify trends, complaints, and areas of improvement. Once the ticket is resolved, generative AI creates a detailed report for the ticket, including steps taken, suggestions provided, and follow-up steps for ticket resolution to share with the customer for transparency. Generative AI can automatically identify unaddressed tickets and escalate them to higher-level agents or supervisors with ticket issue summaries and possible suggestions. This can help support agents speed up their ticket closing process effectively. Generative AI can process large ticket volumes by providing real-time insights using various metrics such as resolution time, customer satisfaction, ticket volume trends, and agent performance. It can analyze past patterns, ticket inflow, and resource allocation to make future predictions for receiving ticket inflow during new product launches or festival sales. Generative AI can analyze customers' tone, sentiments, satisfaction, and frustration during ticketing to adjust responses. Based on the customer's previous interactions, ticket resolutions, and feedback help generative AI to improve its responses. Generative AI learns from the ticket resolution text to refine its algorithms for better ticket resolution. Until now, you've identified that leveraging generative AI in ticket management and resolution helps to save support agents time and provide effective resolutions. Let's now look at the benefits of generative AI in ticket management and resolution. Generative AI increases efficiency by automating various aspects of ticket management, reducing manual workload, and allowing support agents to focus on complex tickets. It enhances ticket resolution accuracy by reducing human error in categorization and redirecting by making data-driven decisions. It also reduces ticket resolution time by generating automated responses, retrieving knowledge base articles, and providing the self-service option to resolve queries. Generative AI ensures customers receive consistent, accurate, and speedy responses, improving satisfaction. Lastly, generative AI saves costs by automating routine tasks, improving efficiency, and reducing large support teams and operational costs. In this video, you've learned how generative AI effectively manages and resolves tickets. NLP and machine learning enable generative AI-powered ticketing systems to automate and optimize various tasks. Generative AI gathers customer details to generate and categorize tickets. It uses SLAs to prioritize tickets, evaluate them into technical and non-technical, and redirect them to the support team or agent. Generate AI uses CRM tools to retrieve additional data and pre-train language models to suggest and generate response templates for the support agents. Generative AI suggests self-service steps and potential responses for complex tickets and escalates unaddressed tickets to the higher supervisor for quickly resolving tickets and closing. It performs predictive analysis by identifying past patterns, ticket inflows, and resource allocation for the future inflow during the peak time. It also performs sentiment analysis to refine its responses based on customer tone and satisfaction. Generative AI continuously learns from the customer feedback, refines its responses, and suggests improvement areas. Generative AI increases efficiency, improves accuracy, resolves queries quickly, provides better customer experience, and saves operational costs.